How do you edit a .csproj file in Visual Studio? So you can right click on the project under your solution in the Solution Explorer, and you should find a button called Edit Project File. And if it's not available for you, you can basically close Visual Studio and open the directory. So first you want to open where the project is by right clicking on it and then open in File Explorer, and it should open up this directory here. Now, for example, if you want to edit the test console app, you can close Visual Studio and then look for the test console app, which is this one. If you click on the properties, it's a csproj file. So you can right click on it and edit with the text editor, such as Notepad++ or the normal Notepad. And in here, you can basically start editing the file and change whatever you want. And once you're done, you can click on the save button and just launch your project again. And all the changes will take effect. That's pretty much it for this video. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. And see you on the next one.